Goodbye, my dear. Take care. The house is so quiet today.
Good morning, Rose. I made your favorite tea.
Thank you, Harold.
Why do you look so sad today? Would you like to play cards?
No, not today.
How about a walk in the park?
Maybe another day.
Rose, you only ate one bite.
I'm not hungry.
Are you feeling okay?
I'm just tired.
Rose, are you feeling sick?
No, I just feel very tired.
I'm worried about you.
But you feel lonely. You need more smiles, more fresh air, and something that brings you joy every day. Thank you, doctor.
I understand.
She is very gentle. She loves people.
Hello, little one. Were you waiting for me? We found each other. Rose, I have a surprise for you. Meet your new little friend.
Oh, Harold. She's beautiful. Thank you, Harold. You're so sweet. I already love you.
I knew you would.
Thank you, Harold. You gave me the best surprise.
What should we call her?
Sunny. Her name is Sunny. That's a beautiful name. Come here, Sunny.
What?
This is your food, Sunny. Eat slowly.
She has good manners. Hey, that's my sock!
Good morning, Sunny. What a beautiful day. Thank you for walking with me.
Welcome back, Rose.
Oh, it's a little kitten. Don't worry, you're safe now. Let's take this little one home.
Our family is growing.
Yes, no one should feel lonely. Welcome home, little one.
You look happy again, Rose.
I am happy. Sunny and our little kitten brought joy back into my life.
Sometimes, a little love changes everything.